Well, here we are. We are rolling up on the Dollarama for our second Dollarama Chicken Surprise. There we are, folks, Dollarama.
I love how it tastes.
So yeah, the first series we got a bell. It didn't go too well. But this next time is going to be a lot better, I'm sure. Let's cross over here. The Dollarama. A very famous store, by the way. Everybody seems to like the Dollarama, but I got something in mind. And it's not... Although they could use that in their coop, I'm sure. Baking supplies. Will the chickens bake? I don't think so. Socks? Nope. Food. What do they like? Oh, you know what would be another good idea? Are these. I'm sure it wouldn't take too long for them to eat them up. You think chickens like these? We got smoked oysters, smoked mussels. We got sardines here too. We do. Right on. Think it'll be a hit? I guess we'll find out. So welcome, here we are. We're gonna try these out. There's one. There's two. And where's the thing on there?
Thank you for shopping at Dollarama.
So here we go, chickens, the big $3.75. We got her.
Please take your receipt. Thank you for shopping at Dollarama.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day. So there we'll go. We'll see how they like these. Don't forget to hit that like button. I gotta grab my keys. Don't forget to follow us. My keys are in my other pocket. And take her easy. Well, here we are again. Back at the barn. It's about time we're gonna do a little Dollarama number 2. I gotta check for these chickens. These chickens like taking a little stroll. Look at these chickens aren't supposed to be out here. Chickens, they keep jumping the fence. They know they're not supposed to be here. Chickens, that's right. What are you guys doing? No, don't go that way. What are you chickens doing? You know you're not supposed to be outside the chicken fence. But here you are, foraging in the grass. You know where to go. Same place you jump out of all the time, right near the gate, right? You bad chickens. Look at these guys. Alright, chickens. Get up there. Get over there. You know what the drill is. That's right. You get over there. Yeah, you know the drill. You're not supposed to be jumping the fence like that. We have got today, we've got smoked mussels, we've got oysters, and we have sardines. You know what, I think it'd just be easier if I mixed it out here, only because, well, they're excited. You can see them right now, being all excited. Alright, chickens. We're gonna make up your bowl. We're gonna start with the oysters. Let's look at this, eh? You wanna see this open up? Oh, it's juicy. Look at all those oysters. I'm gonna pump it. So what are you chickens doing? Waiting to get in on this? So there we go. There's our first little addition. Second addition, smoked mussels. I'm thinking they're liking it. Let's check them out. Can you smell it, chickens? Chickens got a good smell. I know I can smell it. Let's try this again. Where were we? Smoked mussels. That almost looks like the first one. Are they both mussels? One's oysters, one's mussels. They look about the same though, don't they? Grab the tin, dump them in. What do we got left? Sardines. Are they just sardines in water? Yeah, they're just sardines in water. So, you know what? I just heard some jump the fence again. The Dollarama 2 Surprise Chicken treat has not started giving you treats yet. You're gonna have to wait. I'll pull that closer. We'll open this up. Sardines. Oh, in water. Oh, they're big ones too. They are definitely in water. Look at those. Well, look at that. Let's get it in the sunlight so we can see it. There we go. There's our smoked mussels, our oysters, and our sardines. What do you guys think, chickens? Think it's gonna be a hit? I got her all sitting right there on this plate. And we are gonna do, oh look it, you got away from me. Did you not smell it anymore? Once you know what this is, you wanna try some of that? Give them a little pinch of it. Oh yeah, they like it. Are you ready? On the count of 1, on the count of 2, on the count of 3, chickens! Get it, chickens. You love it, chickens. Oh, look it. There they go. They're getting in there. Get in there, chickens. Lucky. Lucky. Here, have a plate. Have a plate. Are you enjoying that? Get over here. You're not quite sure? Oh yeah, you love it. Once you get a taste. Look at you just going around getting it all. Getting it all. You're getting it all, chickens. There's quite a crowd of them, I must say. Quite a crowd of chickens. You know what? I think that Dollarama thing's a hit for the old seafood surprise. Look at, they've gobbled it all up. They're looking for more. Don't you just love that stuff? Look at them go at it. Let me straighten you up here a bit. No doubt in my mind, these chickens love it. Well, chickens, is there any left? Nope. Well, I must say, that Dollarama challenge is a 9.5 out of 10 for sure. It didn't take them long. Not like the other one was 4.5 days. This one took not even 40 seconds. I think I should have got more, eh? Such a beautiful day. Don't you agree? Eating away on their hay. Aiden's filthy. But the chickens are happy. Worked out great. I think that lasted about a half a minute. This week's chicken challenge, a huge success. You know, those mussels and the sardines, they went over really well. Like, I am so super surprised. It did not take long for them to go after that. They are a lover of seafood. And come to think of it, how many chickens do you know that actually had the opportunity to eat seafood? But they seem to love it. And you know what I love? Doing that video. So where am I right now? At the Dollarama. Cause I have to find a parking spot. And then there's that.